Thank you for stopping by Ballistic Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be cooking up the Junebug Bacon Double Cheeseburger. Let's get going. Okay, before we start cooking, a quick thank you to Xmark Manufacturing for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you're into outdoor living, check out their website. I'll have it linked below. It's worth it. All right. The Junebug Bacon Double Cheeseburger. The whole reason I named this Junebug is I'm going to be making a bacon fig jam for this. And where I live, Junebugs, we call them Junebugs. I don't know what they call them in other parts of the country, but there's these really kind of metallic looking green beetles that fly around. I mean, they're big and they love eating figs for whatever reason. If you grow a fig tree, you need to fight off these Junebugs. Anyway, I'm at my sister's house right now up in Northern California, and it's, fig trees are growing around here, and one of her neighbors gave her a really nice jar, actually a few jars of this homemade fig jam. So, bing, light bulb went off, and I decided let's do a burger with the jam. So let's get going with that fig jam. I have here 4 slices of bacon that I've diced up. Bacon's nice and rendered. We're going to take advantage of this fat in here to cook up these onions. This is 1/2 of a white onion, very finely minced. Now I have here some very finely minced Fresno pepper. Fresno pepper, it's very similar to a ripe jalapeno, about the same amount of heat, and I took out the pith and the seeds. This is probably about 1/2 teaspoon. This, jam's going to have some sweet to it, so I want to kind of balance it off. Bacon's obviously going to add some saltiness. Those peppers will add just like a hint of heat once that jam goes in. And here's that jam, again, that homemade fig jam. This stuff is good. And this is 3/4 of a cup. You can buy fig jam online if you don't have it at your stores, or if you have access to like a Mediterranean market, they sell the fig jam, fig preserves there. Let's give this a quick stir. So on this side of the grill, I have no charcoal, but there's enough radiant heat to keep this simmering. So I'm going to push this skillet off to the side right here. Just let it keep simmering away there. So I'm going with just basic sesame seed buns on this because I like them. We're just going to put a quick grill on these. And that's all I'm looking for, just a few grill lines. And now for those patties, I'm using 80/20, ground 80/20, and this is some quality meat here. It's ground chuck. Just a little kosher salt on the grill. These patties are probably 1/4 of a pound, maybe a little thicker. And for this burger, we're not going medium rare or anything. It's a double cheeseburger, fairly thin patties. They'll be plenty juicy though. A little bit more kosher on here. All right, go for a flip. Now, as far as doneness is concerned, we're going for medium. All right, on this patty, I'm going to put some aged white cheddar, and this is going to be 2 thin slices of American cheese. This is good American cheese. I always get blasted for American cheese, but so many great burgers have American cheese on them. And the key is to look for pasteurized American cheese. If you see something that says pasteurized cheese food product, like the stuff that comes individually wrapped in the little plastic things, that's what they call plastic cheese. This stuff's actually very good. Believe it or not, it was actually invented by a Swiss guy too. So take that. We're getting close to building this burger, so I have the bottom bun here. I'm going to throw some arugula down. I went with arugula simply because it has a nice kind of a peppery flavor. All right. All right, so 2 patties down over a bed of arugula. Now it's time for this bacon, onion, pepper, fig jam. And the roosters are wanted apparently. Let's crown this beautiful burger. That is gorgeous, really gorgeous. That was really pretty. All right, let's go ahead and slice this bad boy in half. There we go. A nice medium and still very juicy. Looks good. Let's give this a try. Cheers. That is a good burger. My sister's eating the other half right now. She's giving me a thumbs up. Good burger. We're out here, you know, in the country, and in my opinion, it really kind of screams country. I mean, there's a lot of kind of country flavors there. The figs, you know, the peppers, the onions, but it's just very well balanced. I mean, a good burger. So juicy. If you saw this listed on a menu, it would seem very complicated, but you saw how easy it was. I mean, this is a simple burger, and I think very elevated. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. If you're not subscribed, please take a moment and just hit that little subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. And even more importantly, hit that notifications bell, please. Check out the links below. See you in the next video. Cheers.